my people, and welcome back to Football Mede podcast, the first one for the year 2025. Yes, so happy New Year to Ona, and of course, Ona, welcome. My name is Jovita AK, but as usual, I know Waka come alone, and I know the Waka alone at all. I get Emmanuel Atakata Abua, Emmanuel Atta, the most expensive himself, and of course, we also get the big feast talking about
Onokala. It doesn't house before it introduce me.
Novice.
Don't do that in your life.
Next time, ladies first.
Okay.
Happy
Ladies
New Year.
first. Okay.
Next time, ladies first.
Don't introduce a boy before me. Who is it?
He said next time, ladies first.
Please.
I don't
No,
hear.
I'm proud to be a lady. No problem. No problem.
She man.
All right. On another side, we don't come again with a gbege podcast, and of course, we go start with the one where be say they bite everybody for body. Although we happy say finally they don't get coach for the Super Eagles, but then the man in question talking about Eric Chelle. We go talk about right here on top of this podcast. So we could start with Eric Chelle for now because they don't already give work to do now. Say go join the Super Chan Eagles. But then,
it's super for the business.
At least for now.
Yes.
But then make us start with ladies first. Make us start.
Thank you. Again, Yash now.
Make us start with big
Again,
fish.
Yash. So, how Yash?
The appointment of Eric Chelle. Now the step in the right direction for Nigerian Super Eagles.
No, for me, it's not. Because based on what it's Chelle getting the job, based on what? I'm not trying to insult him in any way. How can a Malian be coaching the Super Eagles of Nigeria? Malian. Nobody like a Malian no, from Mali. It makes no sense in any way. And I look in CV. If I put in CV in place with the likes of no, I'm not a fan of Siasia, even though this year. What if I will get big head? Amunike and the rest. So, in pass all these guys, based on what? Is it based on merit? Yeah, the same play good football with Mali. You don't say go follow with Pep Guardiola cousin. They play good football too. So based on what? I know the annoying thing about this appointment is if they come in a very serious stage of the Super Eagles where we need to win all our matches to qualify for the World Cup. This is not the time to practicalize. This is not the time to say, okay, we won't build. No, we need to go to that World Cup and we need to win all our matches. And they bring in at least experienced coach. This a players going to expect this coach from Mali? But again, that's not my opinion. I want to make him survive. I want to make him succeed. I want to make me feel like a fool. I want to come to this podcast, call myself, I'm a very foolish, stupid man. Make me feel wrong. Me, I don't support the appointment because he don't make any sense. We are the Super Eagles of Nigeria. For the level we say we need world-class coach to the coach us. Not be just for mouth. Show him for working. I wish him the best of luck. I don't support the appointments, but I want him to succeed. Eric Chelle.
All right, still on top, Eric Chelle, Emmanuel. One of the criteria we say the NFF carried.
Let's say what talk sense.
One of the criteria where NFF take career come, they say that one person will be say get better knowledge of African football. And this man, despite the fact say them born out for France, he don't coach some teams. Mali na the only national team where we say in don't get experience with. Now then bring and come to coach a whole Super Eagles. Now from your own perspective, you feel say that particular factor where we say the NFF say he must get knowledge of African football. This man truly, you feel say if he bring that particular angle enter the Super Eagles.
Of course, if he bring that knowledge of African football to the Super Eagles, remember say in as much as they're born out for France, you don't play football for Africa with the same Malian national team, and of course you don't play against Super Eagles.
But you only get 5 cap.
You understand? When I get 1 cap, you don't play football for Africa. Cap na cap. Whether I get 5, I get 15. You understand? But again, you don't forget to understand. See, some people need that environment where they go succeed for their career in irrespective of what they do for life. We don't see instances where coach one particular team, you need to do well. You got another team, you turn to superstars. A recent example, Carlo Ancelotti did Everton. He nearly carry Everton go relegation.
Before he come Everton,
when he come off for Everton,
before he come Everton, where he go?
Come Real Madrid. Now superstar.
Before you come over to when
so
in day.
forget when in day.
No be there start time.
Allow me talk when you dey talk.
No, no be there. You dey make wrong. No be there start time.
When see
No be ever start time.
sometimes when you day.
You don't coach
When
big
you
clubs when
day,
you come
no
over
fit dey
to.
favorable to you. You
Don't
understand?
coach
But when
AC
you
Milan.
come,
Coach Real Madrid before you come over
whether you
to.
like it or not, for the whole of
you
Africa,
saying?
the Super Eagles of Nigeria get the best and the biggest talent right now. What we need another man for touchline. And if the Nigerian Football Federation come talk saying that this man will stand for touchline when the Eagles go look am deliver Nigerian World Cup ticket for match. You understand? So be it. What we supposed give to do now, not be to criticize them, not to support them. Because if they say qualification, Nigeria get coaches who is obviously to do the job now. As in rightly talk, the likes of Bayern Munich, Samson Siasia did there. Munich they do wonders with how they call them Heartland of Europe at the moment with Nigerian Premier Football League side. We doesn't say Siasia now one man also he get charisma. He just finished in punishment with FIFA. We get coaches where if you do the job, and even the current technical director of the Super Eagles of Nigeria, where be what he be named Austin Egwabo at the same time coach at the same time the coach. So now just support to just need to
make
give
I come to Buchi now. Buchi, Nigeria, a country where gets more than 200 million people, then leave them, go outside, go bring a Malian. Or if I say Mali, I go like say
it's for Mali.
No.
It's right.
Now they go bring and come. We look at some of the qualifications where some of these guys where you mentioned get, and you know different from waiting Eric Seku Chelle gets.
Knowing the NFF.
Wait, remember saying get one thing when the other guys don't get.
Calm down. You want to talk
because you need to make points. This 2020, remember they make points.
Going through the NFF, the reason why they appoint Seku Chelle now because they want two things. One, they need a puppet, a man they can easily control. Number two, they are broke. They are damn broke. How much do they pay them? They are damn broke. And then if person go say, okay, come yes. He make can they very clear talk say when in the MC around the club of Nigeria. Yeah. So when Nigeria call me say, I need to go coach Nigeria. And I can't say no to the Super Eagles of Nigeria. Because what I recommend will be big fish. Again, Jovita, in life, pride is very important. The higher you carry yourself, the more respect you get. I'll take the words of Pinnick. That's how we come and talk say one go follow, one go carry Mourinho, come for carry Mourinho assistant PCR to come. So talk say now is it on that level we did? I would like come on that level we did. Yeah. The Super Eagles of Nigeria, which you know what the first Super Eagles of Nigeria, all these young players, don't they pass their prime? When is this see what is 26. Chukwueze is 26. These players have been shining when they were 23, 22. Will they waste their prime? And now again, World Cup they come with they practicalize. See, if NFF, if Seku Chelle, if he succeed, the NFF don't throw gold. I go give them glory. I go hype them till like buy. But if Seku Chelle no succeed, what if that name? The NFF president, Galadima or Gusau, he should resign. Gusau should resign immediately. I mean immediately. Because again, if you look at our group, we get Rwanda, we get South Africa, we get tough games to play. And they practicalize with man who don't get enough experience. I'll go back again. Why? Also, they'll give up time. They appoint Fididi. They Saka after many 2 games because they be Nigerian. Hope say this Malian no get professional treatment pass your Nigeria. And they hope don't be white man no. Now Malian no. I go see how they go treat this black man with their only fellow Nigerian. Yes, let's see.
Talking about the World Cup qualification, whether we like them or not, in work they cut out for them qualify Nigeria for the World Cup, and of course the
I will respect it forever. I will naked and put Chelle on my yash. Chelle on my yash. I will do it.
Chelle fit qualify Nigeria for the World Cup.
Of course, in fit. If you know, I don't like the way they discriminate Mali.
It's not discriminate.
All of us
respect yourself. We are big.
Relax.
We are giant of Africa.
Who they in charge of football for Nigeria? Nigerian Football Federation.
Who are they?
You don't know past them. They're just a bloody
sport don't pass them. Leave those things.
You understand? You don't hear your opinion. People don't hear. Allow the Nigerian Football Federation under the leadership of Goso to do their job.
Right.
They don't find out that this man go start for touchline. The Super Eagles go pay the ticket. Right. Our biggest test go start from March when the World Cup qualifier starts. We get Rwanda, we get South Africa first, and we need to win all our matches.
That man don't know theater.
You will get like 3, if we get 9 points from 3 matches, meaning we dey on point. Know. The best you can do for this man now to support her. Not to say we get the material to win the game. We get the resources, we get the human materials. Now, who go stand the touchline? Who go stand for touchline? Go command respect from the boys' hand. Just as we know, these boys they are the peak of their career.
I made it very clear.
I look at the angle of.
I support them, but I get on one hand, I get on another hand.
But Mark will look at from the angle of the NFF. We all know, say NFF, they always like control.
You can't trust them.
Yeah. You feel say then go do the same thing.
100%.
And if then do the same thing,
100%.
If then do the same thing, you feel say Eric Chelle go at least go out of his way to still make sure say he deliver for Nigeria.
Bro, again, he needs the Super Eagles for his season.
Because now that time they're gonna dictate player to call a player not to call.
I doubt it is. Remember, say
it is non-negotiable.
Man, so Mali, but he get European mentality. They born for France.
Get out of here,
you know go agree.
A black man is a black man.
He go stand in
ground.
Look at his
mumu.
He go stand in ground.
You get visa.
You go.
You get.
You get national passport. I'm in Nigeria, but I ain't the reason.
This one, you don't
get the reason the way the reason. I'm in Nigeria. I the reason like a positive Nigeria. I the reason like a positive Nigeria.
Come on, get out to your nonsense boy.
I the reason like a positive Nigeria. I believe in the Nigerian Football Federation. I believe in the NFL.
You believe now. This
black man is a black man.
More look at career record.
If Chelle gets professional treatment past Nigerian coaches, then when we're going to say we Nigerians will know like ourselves. And they want to see. Like if we did the 2 games, I mean, two games.
They're not sack Finidi.
All right.
They're not sack him. He resigned. Even Nigerian Football Federation. See, make it again.
All right. Mark, we look at Eric Chelle career record. He gets 67 wins, 40 draws, and 41 losses. And this one can result in a win percentage of 45.27%. You still feel for your mind, say, this guy still fit make a difference.
Most times, no be your record of before go affect your present and your future.
You get future.
You understand? Sometimes what you need, and I just believe, constant push, and you go reach there. If he be saying this Super Eagles job, go bring him himself as a coach to limelight.
Okay. And
you know, say right now, Nigerian Super Eagles get the most attacking squad for Africa.
Now we know they score goal.
He go score because of the kind of football when they play. You know, pattern of formation.
I hope.
He like attacking coach.
All right.
You understand? He go play. What we just need, like I the talk from beginning of this podcast, less criticism. Who could support the Nigerian football.
So now the only thing where they missing for the Super Eagles that
yes.
Make with lesser criticism.
Yes.
Make them for work.
Sometimes yeah.
Which
Moku behave like Nigeria.
Like I said, notes. I have nothing against Chelle. I wish him the best. I want him to qualify for the World Cup. But sexy, I know NFF. Their history no bring trust.
True.
I want the positive, but I cannot waste my positivity. You don't
remember say they don't get new.
I wish him the best of luck.
They don't get new.
If Chelle, Jovita, I'm making it clear to you, I'm promising you, if Chelle qualify Nigeria for the World Cup, Jovita, I go write his name Chelle for my yash and for my belly, and I will run naked. Makachuku, I swear. With the money,
talking about
with the money,
Emmanuel talks something. Say
don't use
the only thing missing from the Super Eagles now. Say people too they taxes them. What do you feel? Say this man need to correct for that team as he come now. We be say other coaches no correct.
For me, he needs to make them play more as a team. As a team. I know for a fact, say those players, they love playing for Nigeria. They are dedicated, they are loyal. But we need consistency. Today we see Super Eagles play ball. The next game they go play nonsense. We say they are inconsistent on other Austin Eguavon. You want game we go play Eguavon, give the full-time job. The next game we go be like, where is the consistency? So if you manage to bring it up, see, we get players in their prime. For the first time in a long time, we have a goalkeeper we can trust. And one bally with him big head. We get defenders. Through Econ, we get leaders everywhere. We get Ndidi. We get Osimhen, one of the best strikers in the world. So we don't need to be consistent in every result. Not only the team. See, if he come, get the trust of those boys. Trust me, he go deliver. Again, I wish Chelle the best of luck.
Emmanuel, apart from criticism, what else they missing?
It comes with the job now.
Eagles?
It comes with the job. They don't criticize you. They criticize because the Super Eagles sometimes they don't criticize you, Papa. You might say instead of MC or Ryan the coach.
He never
It comes with the job.
Remember, he never play one match for Nigeria yet. You understand? So the best thing right now when you go need to do.
But as a coach, if you dey find work, at least
it
you check out
comes
people
with
who
the
won't go
job.
work for now.
Yes, now. So
Abi?
Jonathan, as a public figure,
Mm.
if you cannot take this, go to your house and sleep.
Bam.
It comes. You have millions of people. It is your job as Chelle to win over the fans.
You they take criticism from me.
They won't kill me now.
You they take criticism from me.
This one what they do say we get money. They kill me now. No, Jonathan, are you not my witness? They tell me every day.
You they take. Oh, wait, why they take from me?
You're not good
So
for the job.
Emmanuel,
what
what did they missing? What did they
criticize
missing
you?
for? We be saying go need to correct when they come. According to Buchi, say consistency. Say they need to play as a team. For you, waiting else you feel say if you still look into to make that team compact.
Jovita, if you don't follow the Super Eagles formation, the way that they play from the 80s, 90s, we'll go have walk up. We know see the
70
Super
years
Eagles of Nigeria and attacking side. Nigeria don't want to hear anything. The first thing when you need to bring to the team, I feel seeing that creative play from the middle of the park, and we need to pound in more goals up front. If you do this, you go see say, the guy naturally go win the heart of Nigerians because our traditional way where the Super Eagles they play now wing play, we get their normal 7-11. They join the attack, banging goals, and we get these guys to do the job. The likes of Ademola Lookman, they there. The likes of Daddy Samuel, they there. We get Victor Osimhen up front, Boniface. How you go take utilize this guy and get us all the goals what we need? Score more goals than defending.
All right, Emmanuel, still on you. Before I come to Buchi, NFF been mentioned something. Say they need coach we get the knowledge of African football. How you feel? Say home-based players go take get chance enter this team as in they there now.
Fine, fantastic. Because home-based player, our current squad of Shan Eagles, they don't pick ticket from the Shan tournament already. Where we shall later this year for whatever.
They postpone
now. This is not the first time. The last time they go there now 2018, and the coaches will manage this squad. Now the likes of Fidel Ishiku and Daniel Ugumodede, both of them don't coach Rangers United and Remo Stars, and they understand football. You see the squad where they gather to qualify Nigeria for the Shan tournament. So, and I believe say for this guy where don't coach MC Oran Algeria, he know the quality of African football. You know the talent. So I feel
coach for Algeria. Algerian league different from Nigerian league.
You never did this 1 year.
See, now when they come Nigeria, you understand? You go see the Shan Eagles, and you go see you go to Nigeria. You go stadium. You go watch some of the Premier League games in Nigerian Premier Football leagues, and you go see talent. You go use his own eye. Sport talent for himself. So you go give
base players go
they
get
deserve
chance.
yeah. They like we get some names where even deserve to date the Super Eagles. The likes of Unduka, Junior Unduka, the likes of Akimbayi. You know, and of course no forget Sikiru Alimi and
my guy go sleep.
And Anas Yusuf.
Oh, Abu Aziz too.
Anas Yusuf of
Buchi, you feel say home-based players go actually or that the same as usual?
I'm done with this one. When they go sleep, I beg. See, home-based players good for them, fantastic for them. But let's be honest, let's be realistic. They don't get chance to play. They are not really that good enough to play with the Super Eagles of Nigeria. You get players, foreign players with it. But then go and I'm done with this home base.
We don't say they're no good.
But then go play with Chan. Good.
When was the last time you
all
saw
right.
home base players play?
You selfish shook mad put onto
no
Super
need
Eagles matter. Already don't veil earlier this week, and of course Bros go soon start work. Although they don't postpone the Chan tournament to August.
Yes, August.
But the most important thing they say they go do the draws, and when they do the draws, the Super Chan Eagles go know where or who then go got to play. So if we go on top our YouTube and of course drop your own take on top waiting we don't discuss as it take concern the Super Eagles, Rick Shan, and of course some part of the Chan Eagles where we say we don't also talk about. From that one, we go do one way consign Arsenal for the EPL. Right now Arsenal it get as their season day. Waiting you feel say they responsible for this. Now the wound of Saka, because since where Saka wound, it can't be like say market 1-4 press Arsenal. But then where it go wrong for Arsenal this season? They started strong and all of a sudden then they struggle.
Yeah, they started strong for the English Premier League this season and every other competition. But before the season starts, you go look at their squad quality. How quality are they enough? if you name the first 11, who they bench? Nothing. A small boys they bench. So I feel say Mikel Arteta and Arsenal management get a lot of work to do for this January transfer windows. They go need to sign players who are ready to play purposeful football for Arsenal side. Already like Gabriel Jesus don't come out. The likes of Saka where they bank on don't get injury. I don't know how long he will stay out of injury. You understand? And now another risk day. Now because they win, score goes through corner kicks. The likes of Saliba and Gabriel Jesus. Yes. Any moment anything happen to them, they go out for 2-3 weeks. Arsenal is done. So they go need to sign quality for January. Man, close your eye, remove your wallet and sign. If you need to stay in serious contention to win any competition.
Now, but you would hear of Zubimendi where we said they already try concluding Waka and all that. According to Yan, where they on ground, they say it's almost 80-85% done for next season exactly. But then Arsenal, they talk of midfielders, they talk of they know they talk of strikers. It's getting a striker. It should be priority for Mikel Arteta and of course Arsenal.
Yes, obviously. For the past 4 seasons, the last striker where Arsenal get with deliver was Pierre-Emerick Aubameyang. That was the last striker. So Arsenal only one striker for a long time. The reason why Arsenal they get issue right now that the overconfidence of Mikel Arteta. For a hand don't believe, say, okay, I don't plant the seed. It is time when the seed to germinate. But in they forget, say, in get other teams to where they plan. They focus too much on themselves. Forget, say, other teams they plan. On a good day, nobody expect Liverpool to come this much. Somebody expect it to win, but nobody expect nothing about today like this. So as that is that it's our time. We go do overconfidence. And this Arsenal squad, over the last couple of years, they don't work well with pressure because they don't get winners for that squad. They don't get experience, they don't win for that squad. So it affect them every time. Again, Arsenal they score goals. Scores don't be the problem. But are those matches where they're very key, where pressure day. Now when they go mess up, if pressure no they go deliver, they go score like 5-6 goals. But say game when we say you need to win, the pressure go mount and they go they crazy. And Arsenal have been unlucky. Saka out for long. Jesus ACL out for long. Ben White out for long. So very unlucky. And Arteta today confidence in his squad. Arsenal get players. Arsenal get good players. But if they can just win one trophy to break that mental bond, just one, to us to go on that level. But again, officially, I'm not an Arsenal fan. I'm done.
Now, for Mikel Arteta, at this point in his managerial career, you feel say he never really achieved much. For a team where we say don't give him free hand to work, for a team where we say don't give him money to spend, and at the end of the day, after how many years, nothing to show for him.
Well, I feel say he don't achieve a lot because consistency is key. You know, whether you like it or not, for the past 3-4 seasons, you know, go call English Premier League contenders without calling Arsenal. And that, to me, now, number one, a game. You understand? See, because every season they come nearly, at least for the so waiting just need and to win one thing. So you're not going to say in a failure. You're not going to describe Mikel Arteta as a failure.
Which is time for Arteta to go.
No, he can't go.
It's can't go now.
Whether we like him or not, Arteta don't carry Arsenal from a region or lower concentration to a region of higher concentration playing good football. I said that's done a great job. No lies. Don't bring squad of players who won't win. He has done a very, very good job. But the cocoa right now, we say Arsenal, they are at a point where they go reap what they don't sow. They don't patience anymore. The last season, they did to win the league. This is the time to start winning, not waiting anymore. I don't understand. 5 good years. In 5 years, if you cannot solidify your foundation, when you want to one. But he has done a lot of job for Arsenal to restart again. And remember, Arteta is an Arsenal man. He don't get structure, he don't get pattern, he don't get system. So Arsenal want to invest so much in Mikel. And let me tell you, if we got to leave Arsenal right now, because it is very obvious Arteta is a good coach, it is very, very obvious. He will get a good job. The biggest of clubs can come for him. If you Bayern Munich can sign a Vincent company where they get bonding, why don't you say Arteta? The biggest club, Arsenal, he get nothing to lose. He don't put in soul for Arsenal. It take me back then when Sale was in United. It take how many years for him to start winning? If I said I just win one trophy, one, the Arsenal score will go high.
Talking about one trophy, they only get 2 to play for this season: the Champions League and, of course, the Premier League. They don't come out for
the second leg.
They don't come out for.
They're not 50%.
Second leg they against Newcastle. Second leg they.
FA
Cup where man you commot them.
No.
Oh, okay.
I'll give you first too.
So. Any trophy, you feel say Arsenal will win any trophy this season, or if they no go win trophy, which position if you say then go end up?
Second. They don't go win any trophy this season. Nothing. I don't feel.
That's why Real Madrid no win.
You want my lie? Arsenal not gonna win anything this season because they're not there equipped. Okay, when the season go end, na general with this from now till March, na very tense period. Their key players the injury at the moment. We don't even know when they come back. So no magic they go do. The only magic now when they break bank, sign some players and register them immediately. So give us. But the best way they go even end, even at that, na second. You get the likes of Liverpool. You get if they don't even take time, the likes of Man City go past them. And Chelsea.
Finally, before I come up for Arsenal matter, Kai Havertz, leave or still keep him?
He has to stay. I think the problem with Kai Havertz we say Arteta put too much pressure on the guy. Number one, inside Kai Havertz to be a replacement of Granit Xhaka, the going smoke was useless. Was playing Kai Havertz in midfield. Wrong in the first place. That's why Kai Havertz, you can't shift and go to play first 9. Arteta don't overstress the guy. But Kai Havertz is a workaholic, so no matter what you think could tell him, he go into the job. So I go blame Arteta for mismanaging a Kai Havertz. In the missed chances, but does he keep on trying? That's number one in life. Players they always try. Kai Havertz keeps on trying. And you can see in some games, this guy they make some right movements, but he just need that mental support, that psychological support. He cannot live. Arsenal wants 65 million euros. Kind of money go at that state, everybody will be a millionaire. Even the children with their belly. That's big money. So Arsenal must receive dividends from Kai Havertz.
All right, make we go from Arsenal shift small, go Manchester United. Ruben Amorim don't come back, and we don't see some kind changes, even though say they never really gel well, but we don't see them turn up for some games where we say people don't even expect them to win.
Yeah.
If you say Ruben Amorim, if given enough time and enough support, go get Man United running again.
Of course, if you give an opportunity, you go get United. We don't see what you don't do. Some big games doing some match, go Anfield, go put draw where people no be like against all out, commot Arsenal for cup game. Waiting the guy just need and support. And the fact say the squad, the individual players there ready to play for him, and they give everybody in time to play. We will see recently what they do with Arsenal. You know, nobody see that goalkeeper coming, nobody see him, you know, because somebody actually did. We go put Andre Onana for bench. So this now part of the changes where the new coach they bring, and I believe he will get better tenor compared to Eric Ten Hag where you live.
But you may take a look at Harry Maguire. All of a sudden, be like say don't as in that kind of resurgency under Amorim. At least we don't see him do some kind.
He always has it. Maguire is one of very good defender. I think man, you don't want disrespect and to want to strip off his captaincy to show you how much of a human being when he be. Without disrespect, he still delivers. What's the man you need person who say go they consistent with the Amorim. Amorim is a very talented coach. If they give Amorim the key I mean say chase out some useless players, some entitled players like Marcus Rashford, make him rebuild. It's going to take time. It will take time because you know if you just start to do that project in 1 or 2 years, it might take 3 years. But you gotta go to you go see growth day. Look man you now. Sometimes they lose some matches, but you go see more growth day. Some players are willing to play for this manager. It's not easy to go in Liverpool, draw, and play fantastically so well. Come Arsenal, knock them out. It's not easy at all. So the foundation used to take make sense. For me as a Brad Bele, I want me to sack him. Because they don't get sense. Make devil tell me they sack him. So I then go start again. But as a professional, when they keep him, that guy will work magic at United. He's a fantastic, and he's young, and he's ready. Observe. When he get touchline, when he talks, players listen. The Arsenal match. Remember when Bruno collect yellow card at the World FA Cup match? Bruno can they do those people? Can they shout from Bruno say, "Come on, respect yourself. Calm down, Bruno. Calm down." A Bruno that is very, very stubborn.
Yeah.
One of the most sauciest players Amorim tell him, guy, respect yourself. He respected himself. He calmed down. And when he can go wear in boots, when Amorim shout for him, that's a manager in charge. When a manager in charge, players will respect the manager.
All right. Before we go our table, make we sharply take a look at Manchester City. Struggle continues, and the latest one with on ground, we say their manager will be Pep Guardiola. They separate from his wife of 30 years. You feel say all these things follow, they affect Manchester City this season.
No, I don't feel say that one go affect in job at all. I don't feel that one even contribute to Man City losing games. That now marital issue. They different from your office
they
job.
affect
No, be they play the ball. You make
personal issues. They affect Emmanuel.
Now, what do you think, Abi? You get players. You don't play. You don't bring out one formation, one system for a long time. You don't do back to back 4 in a row. You don't win the league. Okay. You don't use it. You think say your opponent fit find out to counter you. They don't find out your antidote. And see, life day like this. When you go up, you will come down. If they come down, you don't go expect City to do like that again. These players, they don't know. They know they're sharp and young as they were 2-3 seasons ago again. The only person where they ready to play all the time, where not be that number 9, Haaland.
Hold on.
But the truth is this: other opponents don't find out how to mark
this guy
up.
should stop talking football. He's a fool. He's a bloody twerk.
We don't see coaches where I will give you example of coaches where we say they are picking the daddy. The next 2-3 days they win games.
Okay.
You know, died not be waka. This one are marriage, separation. I mean, are the reason now.
Okay, let me take you.
Guy never break your heart before. You don't come work.
Let me take you back. You can Google it. I remember when Arsene Wenger get issues with them partner when they born one daughter. For a book where he write, he talk up there. So when he get issue with his wife, he affect them as a human being. So he no really give 100% to the job. Nobody go know. Psychological, emotional trauma is the worst that can happen to any human being.
From what we've seen of Pep,
I know they blame him. I know they blame him. Saying
no,
one of the
issue. Pep get assistant now.
I know they blame him to see whether he get assistant or not.
We don't see Pep. We don't see Pep. Pep don't get medical issue. What did they want you? Pep never get medical issue. Pep never get medical issue. Commot. Pep never get medical issue. Go take a trip to Barcelona.
To the Saka assistant. Are you mad?
Pep never get medical issue. Leave Man City in the hands of your assistant. Go solve medical issue. Come back. They die. People were they listening. Man City die. What it be marriage? You have to compare French and Spanish when it comes to love affairs.
Make I gist you, Emmanuel. Emmanuel Petit. Na former Arsenal player.
Yeah, that one a player now. So you got to
it doesn't matter. Human being are human being.
Yes,
it doesn't matter your position. Everybody get feelings. We all have emotions. Make I tell you, Emmanuel Petit gets issue with woman. If you even go listen to the guy, get one podcast where the guy do. If you listen to him, now woman make can come off for Arsenal, go another place. So. And that's a woman last Emotions can be very powerful and overwhelming.
Not be woman collect all the money.
So just about number one, let's be professional here.
All right.
Wouldn't they blame say now him living in wife? One of the reasons, be the reason why in they do bad. No, but it is part of the reason.
Yes.
Because number one, if be human being, no be iron, whether we like him or not. And Pep, they see they doing job 100%. So nobody they blame him. Nobody they use
that as the problem with him. Get the point. You need to find out first.
Make her speak English. Like preaching they had you. Nobody they blame. So I can't even speak English. Nobody blaming the wife. Nobody they blame the wife. Nobody blame marital issue. Nobody. What would they talk? We say
Pep not be even the only one with the problem.
Now the human factor. Issue. The human factor where him be.
Ruben Diaz gets issue.
So no issue. Let's move
on. Wait, Kai Walker, they no cash up for final. No play Euro final.
All right.
Why not lose? Why not Lago? He play final against Spain. Though they lose. Who shall be say woman?
All right. Let me take a look at the table.
Thank you.
The tables. We'll take a look at the tables as it takes stand. After 20 games, some don't play 21 games.
Liverpool can start the game.
Liverpool, yes, get 47 points. Nottingham Forest nearly embarrassed Liverpool.
Liverpool played a good game yesterday. The game was actually fantastic. They dominated the second half.
Yes, they did.
But the thing about Nottingham Forest, that's why consistency is very, very good. And when you buy the right players. Last or 2 years, not just that we are signing anybody. They got out to sign any player. They sign too much. They disbalance their squad with over-signing. Now they're bringing a man who sabi the job. I didn't tell the man, say, I am in charge. If the team mess up, you sack me. If the team do it, give me credit. And now they work very well because they get structure, they get balance. Structure and balance, they're very, very important. Their system, they're very, very simple. 2 wingers, 1 midfielder, 1 striker, and fantastic defenders. Milenko was one of the best defenders in Italy for Fiorentina.
Yeah.
Fantastic. And at one point, Olaina, one of the best right back right now in the league. And more important, keep away them signed, Chelle from Strasbourg. So then get foundation already, which don't make sense. And again, they have nothing to lose. Forest have nothing to lose because on a good day, nobody played on this second in the first place.
At all.
So now they walk around play, whether they lose or win, and now they go they pray. Personally they pray, but then they top 6.
Top 4.
Top 6, not even top 4. If they go Europa League is bigger than even Champions League. Yeah. Top 6 is best for them. Because if they do top 4, the pressure will enter their head. Pressure will kill you. They're going to say, oh my, if we no go, we'll get disappointed. Top 6 will be fantastic for us. A team where fought relegation last, people didn't forget, they fought relegation last season.
Yes.
And now from relegation to top 6, that's huge.
Now, Nuno Espirito
Santo. You can never understand.
Nuno Espirito Santo don't coach
idiot.
Wolverhampton Wanderers before. He don't coach Tottenham Hotspur. At least Wolves, he even last more. Tottenham, he don't last. He goes Saudi Arabia. He gets issues there. Then Saka, he come back here. He take over Nottingham Forest. What do you feel, say, him bring back? Where be say, you feel, say, all this waka, make him see things in a different way. Make him come back now and carry this team to second.
Now, they get quality of squad rotation. And players were ready to play.
Are you stupid?
You understand?
Are you stupid? They are the least, let's go in the Premier League, least rotated.
What did they worry you now? You just got player. Will you shut up and let me talk?
You don't like
what did they worry you?
They are the least.
This guy get
squad, they are the least.
I tell you.
Least.
This guy is a biased guy. This guy not biased guy.
Most players don't start
this guy they look for big names. This guy they look for big names.
You're a fool.
But the names where they not have already play now.
You're a fool.
Now, apart from the Nigeria where just come, these are
rotation.
players
You said
who are
rotation.
ready to play.
You said
They're ready to
rotation.
die. And they don't get anything to
rotation.
lose.
You
understand?
said
Get their
rotation.
squad now.
You said rotation.
That's the rotation I'm talking about. They get squad now. You never see a particular player. You never see a particular player where play 4-5 games.
You are stupid, Mumu.
In Nottingham Forest. You are useless.
You are stupid. Right. Cells, Murulo, Gibbs White, Olaino, don't play straight 16
You see that second way they day? Now then they go date in the season. They go pass Arsenal.
Who's the center?
They go pass your Arsenal.
They go pass your
Arsenal.
Any game.
All right.
They go pass your Arsenal.
All right. Currently, Nottingham Forest is second on the table with 41 points.
They go kill Arsenal
Forest with 40 points.
Arsenal go die.
Chelsea fourth with 37
will be lost in the
points.
Forest.
Newcastle make up the fifth team there with 35, and Man City don't climb up to 6th with 35 points. All right, make we sharply before we round up because time no day again. Talk about Harry Kane.
I'm retired from this podcast. I'm done. I'm too responsible now. Too responsible.
We'll take a look at Harry Kane, and of course, he say finally saying go break this trophyless deadlock for inside Bayern Munich.
Yeah, it's very possible. And of course, we know say Bayern Munich at the moment they know they do badly for the German Bundesliga. So normally it's supposed to win now because if you look the likes of teams like Bayern Leverkusen and Borussia Dortmund, yesterday even lose away. So you're going to say at the moment, based on today, Bayern supposed to win the league. And if they win the league this season, they need to break that.
This guy don't lose major finals both with club and country. You don't feel say if follows are waiting they affect.
It's cost now, obviously. Kane, the Kane in destiny now. That's why they even put that name, keep better name. We keep better name. Go. I see this one. His name is Atta. Very useless name.
You are very stupid. That's my father's name. My
Don't
name
make
is Emmanuel. Stop it.
Sorry, Atta.
My name is Emmanuel.
It makes no sense. Atta. What's it Atta? So it's a useless name.
Atta is royalty.
So
Google
get out.
Atta
So the
is
name
royalty.
they follow him. Last season they were supposed to win the league. Leverkusen come from nowhere. They bring in company. The league don't shop for them. But for in grace, he don't try. He needs to win something. He left Tottenham where they cost. Go Bayern Munich. Now he don't cost Bayern Munich. Anything we want to make. I don't care about him.
All right, if you shook my put for that one. Now here we go end the podcast this lovely, wonderful, beautiful day. Don't forget to follow us and of course subscribe to our YouTube channel, Football Republic NG on top YouTube. And of course, leave your message, leave your comment. We want to hear what you think about everything we don't discuss here today as we continue to move forward. Till we meet again for the next podcast. Make an enjoyment in ourselves. Thank you to Emmanuel Atta and of course Onokala
Get out.
and of course my humble self Jovita AK. Make an enjoy in ourselves. Obiarije. Oh nah.